Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Cool. Alright, so here's a question for you. If you can change one non-physical thing about yourself, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. And what non-physical thing that I would change myself? That would be the lack of trusting myself, self-doubt. I want everyone to get out of their comfort zone. As I'm standing here, I did my best to encourage everyone to be confident, to have self-esteem, and do not ever doubt yourself. And with that, that is all.
Panalo na!